Just between you and me, computer, my boss is super mean. Oh my gosh, why is my phone recording a voice message to my boss? Delete, delete, delete! I've spent a lot of time teaching you how to make things in Python. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete them. Say if we have name equals David, and we want to delete name from memory. We don't want to just overwrite name with a new value, but we want to just get rid of the existence of the variable called name. We want to delete the reference to it. Well, we're going to use the del keyword. So we would just write del name, and name will vanish from the code base. Notice that now if we try to print name, we get an error because name does not exist. A more common use case is if you want to delete an item at a certain index in a list. So for instance, if we had names equals Sam, Ted, John, and we want to delete the second item in the list, we would say del, and then names, and then in brackets, we would put 1 because 1 is the second item in the list because we start 0. And that will remove the second name from that list. An important note when talking about the del or dot remove method is that when you're looping through items in a list, you shouldn't be modifying those items as you're looping through because it can cause unexpected problems. For instance, if we are looping through all the names in a list of names and we start removing names, it can get messed up because of how the for loop works. So it's best that if you actually do need to remove items from a list and you're finding out which items to remove as you loop through, make a new list of the items you want to remove, then loop through that list and delete those names from the original list. That way you're never altering the list that you're looping through. So that's del. Thanks for listening.